Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Guys, you know I'm the biggest bull, believing Bitcoin can even reach $1 million by the end of this year. But what's going on right now? The news-driven price action dumped hard after the executive order news in the Digital Asset Summit. Why? Because prominent figures in this space pushed expectations so high that when the event turned out underwhelming, the price dumped. Retail got spooked and longs got wrecked. Zooming in on the 1-hour time frame, we can see how these dumps coincided with the events. But there's also a symmetrical triangle forming. A breakout above the upper trend line could trigger a bullish move, while losing the lower trend line could confirm a bearish continuation. Volume is decreasing as price moves closer to the apex, but there's a slight volume increase near the lower trend line, showing buyers are still active. Given how strong the previous moves were, bulls still have a chance. But losing the lower trend line with volume confirmation would favor the bears. In my opinion, it wouldn't make any sense to drop further from here. We are below 100,000. It's a bull run year, and being in the 80s is crazy compared to 4 years ago when we were around 50,000 without ETFs and only retail investors. Checking the daily time frame, we are in thick red money flow on the wave trend indicator, which is usually nothing good for the bulls. A fresh red dot just printed and combined with the red money flow, this usually signals another dip. The only thing that could hold us back is if price was artificially suppressed, and RSI is already at 41.79 on the daily. Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can see new late short leverage piling up since the Digital Asset Summit livestream. Hot pockets are forming around 91.6 thousand and the zone between 92.9 and 94,000. The higher time frames on the liquidation heat map still have targets slightly under 100,000. Taking a quick look at the Bitcoin rainbow price chart, one of the earliest models predicting Bitcoin's exponential growth, it's now showing price in the buy zone, just one level before basically a fire sale. We dipped so low in the last bear market that a new purple level had to be added, but that's not even in the original legend of the chart. We are officially lower than accumulate, but back in the all caps screaming buy phase again. Wow, let's hope this all leads to massive upside by the year's end. If you don't have enough Bitcoin spot bags, I would recommend listening to the trusty rainbow price chart. I will update you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. If you got value from this video, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And see you in the next one.